else children? How are you? I hope you are all good. Okay. Now, I want to recall about SMS. SMS means maintain social distance, use mask and use sanitizer and wash your hands regularly per day 3 or 4 times. Okay. You have to maintain this, you have to follow these 3 things. Okay. Okay. Now, successfully we completed chapter 1. Okay. What we learn in that chapter 1? Properties of integers and how we can apply and number lines and some sums also we did. Now this fractions. Second chapter will be fractions, decimals and rational numbers. First we will see fraction. What is meant by fraction? Fraction, suppose one apple your mother given. So 2 members, you and your sister are there. So 1 apple only there. So how the mother will give? She will be cut and give, no? So half of the part. That apple is cut into 2 parts. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. Now that is the fraction of 1 by 2. Now see here leaf. This is full part. That is whole part will be 1. Now if I fold like this. How much more it is? How much this part now? 1 by 2. Half I did. Full part is this one. Half part is this. If I keep half part on this. See here. This is the half of the leaf. So 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 part. Similarly, this half part, again if I fold, half part, if I fold, see this is 1 by 2 part now. This is now 1 by 2 part. This 1 by 2 part, what I am doing? Again I am folding. Again I am folding. Now, see. This is the 1 by 4th part. This 1 by 4th part is in this. If you keep on this 1 by 2 part, see it will be exactly, it will be coincide. Okay. So now this is 1 by 4th part. Okay. Suppose 3 by 4 you want. This is 1 by 2 part. Here half. Now 1 by 2. Again more half if you take. See, now this is 1 by 3, see, this is 1 by 3rd part, here half part, this is 1, this is 2 and here 1, 3, understood ma? Here one more will be there means 4 by 4 it become 1 whole part. Now this is 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, understood? So this is 1 by 3rd part. 1 by 3rd. So this is called fractions. Fractions are having numerator and denominator. The upper part of the fraction is called numerator and the down part of the fraction is called denominator. Okay. Now, so if you draw, suppose if you take one, see, this is what? One rectangular paper. This is one rectangular paper. So, rectangular paper, this is full 1 part. Now, what I am doing? This I am folding like this. This I am folding like this. Now, it is how many parts now? 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 part. Again, if I fold like this, how many parts I will get? 1 by 4th part. This part only I am saying. This is only 1 by 4th part. If I open this one, see, 4 parts you are getting, no? Here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. 4 by 4 parts. Again, I want, see, 1 by 4th part we got now. This 1 by 4th part, if I fold it again, this 1 by 4th part, if I fold it again like this, then how much you will get now? This is which part now? 8th 8th part. 1 by 8th part you will get. So like that you can do. Suppose 2 by 3 you want. 2 by 3 you want means you have to take 2 papers like that. Then 3 parts you have to fold it. Then you will get 2 by 3 part. Okay. Now, so in the fraction, the upper part is called numerator and this down part is called denominator. Now, this numerator by denominator we can call it as a rational number. After integers, the set of numbers are rational numbers. First will be the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers already we studied in the first chapter. After integers, what you will be studied ma? Rational numbers. Rational numbers is nothing but P by Q form. P by Q form means what? Is a fractional form. Fractional form means fraction. Numerator by denominator. Understood? That's why first we have to study about fractions. What is mean by fraction? How many types of fractions are there? Then the fractions will be conveyed. How the fractions are converted into decimals. If you study this all, it will come under rational numbers only. Okay. Now, I hope you will be understood about fraction. Now, the types of fractions. What are the types of fractions? First one is proper fraction. What is mean by proper fraction? Proper fraction means the numerator, for example 2 by 3 I took. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. How? The numerator is 2, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay, numerator is 2, denominator is 3. Which is big? Denominator is big. So, numerator will be less than the denominator. Then we can call it as a proper fraction. If numerator less than the denominator. If the numerator is less than the denominator, we can call it as a proper fraction. Understood? This one, this is a proper? Yes. Why? Because 5 is less than 6. Denominator will be greater. Okay, denominator will be greater than the numerator, otherwise numerator is less than the denominator. Now, 7 by 9 is a proper fraction? Yes. Now, this is proper fraction. Next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. What is mean by improper fraction? Opposite of this. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, is improper fraction. Reverse you can take 3 by 2. Then 11 by 3. 7 by 2. Like this. These are all improper fractions. Why? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. Understood? So, if numerator is greater than, NR means numerator, DR means denominator. So, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, we can call it as a improper fraction. Understood, ma'am? Now, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is a proper or improper? It is a improper. Why? Because numerator is greater than denominator. Now, what is the third one? Third one is mixed fraction. There are 3 types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Now, third one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed means what? if you take the mixture, how it will contain groundnuts, then so other types of pulses, all it will contain in mixture. So similarly, mixed fraction means it contain a whole number as well as a proper fraction. For example, 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. 2 is called a whole part and 1 by 3 is called a fractional part. This is 1 by 3 is a proper fraction and 2 is a whole number. Okay. Now in this what you call 2 is a whole part. 2 is called a whole part and 1 by 3 is called fractional part. Fractional part. Okay. So mixed fraction means compulsory should contain whole number along with a proper, not improper. Whole number along with a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay. Whole number along with a proper fraction. Whole number along with a proper fraction. Along with a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. See here, in first chapter also I said, when you are writing the class work, after the chapter, back side of the chapter, what we have learned is there, that is key concepts. First you have to write that all the key concepts, then what I am giving the notes, you have to write down. Okay, in first chapter also like that. Now second chapter also, back side of the chapter means here. See, I will show you. See, page number, all of you take out page number 57. This is second chapter. After back of the second chapter, page number 57, here we are having looking back is there. Looking back, you don't put looking back heading, you have to put key concepts and write that all the key concepts. Key concepts if you learn now, so what will be there in that chapter, that will be indicated. That's why key concepts compulsory you have to learn and you have to write also. Now after writing that, what the definitions are, what I am doing on the board, please note down in the text, in the classwork. So first what you will write, what is a fraction? Fraction contains the part of numerator and the denominator is known as a fraction. Now types of fractions. What is the types of fractions? There are 3 types of fractions: proper, improper and mixed. So what is proper fraction? If the numerator is lesser than the denominator is called proper fraction. What is improper fraction? If the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. What is mixed fraction? A whole number along with the proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Understood? So whole number along with a proper, not improper. Suppose you are taking like this. This is not a mixed fraction. This is wrong. Why? Because this is whole number. Okay. But it is not a proper fraction. So it doesn't belongs to the improper. It doesn't belongs to the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means compulsory it should contain whole number along with the proper fraction. Now, how we will get the mixed fraction? Suppose 9 by 2 is there. 9 by 2 is a proper or improper? It is a improper fraction. Why? Because 9 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator means it is an improper fraction. Numerator, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. It becomes improper fraction. it become improper fraction. Okay, now any improper fraction can be changed into mixed, but not in proper fraction. Okay, if you take improper, then only you can change it into mixed fraction. But if you take proper fraction, you can't change it. That I will show you how we can change. Now, every improper fraction can be changed into a mixed fraction. Understood? Every improper, not only one, every improper fraction can be changed. How it will be changed? Now 9 by 2. 9 by 2, I want to change into mixed. So what I will do? This 9 should be divided by 2. 9 should be divided by 2. Now in 2 table 9 will come up? No. Less than you have to take. So less means 8. So how many times 8 will come in 2 table? 4 times. 2 4s are 8. Now 9 minus 8? 1. Here 1. So what is the mixed fraction here? No need to put decimal and all. When you go to the decimal topic, then we will see. Now we want only mixed fraction. So what you will write here? What the quotient you got? That quotient become the whole number. Listen carefully. What you are getting in the quotient? This is quotient, this is remainder, this is the divisor, this is the dividend. There are 4 parts in the division. What is that? By which number you are dividing? That is called divisor. By what number you are dividing? To which number you are dividing is called dividend. After division, what you are getting to the right side of the bracket? What do you call that one? Quotient. Then down what you are getting? That is called remainder. Now, the quotient you have to take it as a whole part, 4. Now, this what the remainder you are getting? This is the remainder, this is the quotient. No? So, what the remainder you are getting? That remainder you have to write as numerator. By then what the denominator you will write? What the divisor? This is the divisor. This is the divisor. Means by which number you are dividing is called divisor. This is 2. So this is 2 will come. Now check it. You are getting improper or not? 2 4s are 8. 1 9. Means you are adding. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2 you are getting no? So 4 1 by 2 is the mixed fraction of 9 by 2. Understood children? Now I want to give some homework for you. What you will do? You have to collect or you have to draw. You have to draw or paste any pictures and write their fractional part and write their fraction part and then write fraction means part unit fraction. Example 1 by 2 is there. Example I am showing. So draw one square and do like this and draw shade this. This will be equal to 1 by 2. Like that you can draw. Otherwise use leaves and other color papers. Anything you can use and you can paste and do some fractions your wish. Okay. So like that you can do that fractions I am giving. 3 by 4, 5 by 6, okay, 1 by 4, enough. Now, second one, this is first one. Second one is write 5 examples for each For each types of fractions, for each mixed fractions. This is your homework. So for each one you have to write 5 examples. Only example. 1/2 proper, 3/2 improper, like that. 5 examples you have to write. Only 5 examples for each this one. Now I hope you are understood. Then use that one and write down. Thank you, children.